In this video, I will walk you through the process of creating a second Instagram account without anyone finding out. So first things first, log out of your current Instagram account, then hit the sign up to cook up a fresh account using a different email or phone number. Now, take up a cool username that's different from your main account. And once you're done with the account creation process, go ahead to your account settings and set that new account to private. Also, make it extra incognito by using a different profile picture or whipping up a unique bio for the new account. Now, here's the deal. Your Instagram crew won't catch a wind of your second account unless you link it to Facebook or the same email. So just a heads up, if your new account follows the same account or your main account follows the new one, then it might show up in the suggestion for you section for your friends. So to stay incognito, consider avoiding following the new account with your main one. And that's it. That's how you make a second Instagram account without anyone finding out. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.